when people get banned on Twitter.
Holy shit. That's right. In
Oh my
face
God.
of people writing constitutions, people saying freedom of expression. That's like, I know people talk a lot of shit on people misuse the platform, but you do not have to murder someone's digital personality. Virtual world
Look,
is getting equal importance as the real world. I'd say that. And then
The
you
thing is-
ban someone. That's fucking crazy.
Yeah, so the thing is, जब डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प बैन हुआ था ट्विटर से,
Yeah.
people get happy.
Exactly. People.
And like, I'm sure it helped the situation. जब डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प ट्वीट नहीं कर रहा था, I'm sure it was much easier to control the situation. But I don't know, there was a post जिसमें ये न्यूज़ थी कि डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प just got banned from Twitter.
Yeah.
And I commented, I don't know why, but I commented, this should scare every one of us.
Of course. It should.
And I was like really disappointed. I'm not a Trump fan, but I'm a freedom of speech fan. And when Donald Trump got banned, like, I was really disappointed and scared, more scared, because and someone replied to me on that comment like he was misusing his position of power and saying bad speech to influence people, and so that was wrong and he got banned. Justice served. I was like, that's what you think. And to agree with you, that's what I think as well. He was misusing. He put a lot of shit out that shouldn't
hate
be
speech.
out.
Hate speech.
That's hate speech. I agree with you as well. But what you don't realize is that what you think and what I think doesn't matter. He got banned because Twitter thinks so as well.
Yeah.
कल जैक डॉर्सी अगर रिपब्लिकन बन जाता है तो वो जो बाइडन और कमला हैरिस दोनों को बैन कर देगा.
बैन कर देगा.
एंड तू बोलेगा या मैं बोलूंगा कुछ तो हो सकता है हमें भी बैन कर दे. Who's to stop him? No one.
No one.
So he has that power, and that should be scary. That is very scary. If Kangana Ranaut can get banned on Twitter, it's a short-term gratification. Okay, Kangana Ranaut talks a lot of shit. It's true. It's out there. Everyone knows it. Everyone agrees.
And eventually, everybody would unfollow her if she talks a lot of shit. Yeah.
But when you ban her of speech, shit scares the shit out of me.
That's 100% true. And it should.
Matlab, it's like you get banned, like you can't put your message out. Imagine being in that situation. I don't know, because if they come for you, you will have nothing. And if they come for you, if they come for your opinion, if Jack Dorsey somehow became a Republican, a right-winger,
exactly,
who's to stop him?
What I feel about is that Twitter is a company that is, making a business decision to moderate itself, right? That was a business decision.
And I don't think that's right.
Yeah.
Like for them.
Exactly. The decision, to remove users' posts and their tweets are, should be criticized, because the first right that any human has is the right to speech. The very first thing that, which comes into mind when you talk about freedom is right to speak freely. It's not, मैं दुनिया घूमना चाहता हूँ or I really want to travel across the world. I want to go out and do this. I want to run around naked. That's not the first thing that you come up with freedom. The first thing is, hey, can I really express myself? If I can, that's freedom. Can I really truly tell the world who I am? That's freedom. And that's what was in some case I'd say Trump ban was right. Yeah, it was right, because hate speech is also something which is illegal. Hate speech is something which is dehumanizing element of society, that it creates conflicts, and then societies fight each other, communities fight each other, and that's pretty messed up scenario. So what I want to make a point out of here is that big tech firms, they generally argue that as a private company, and they are not state actors, right? So they're private. In the end, Jack Dorsey would not get sued upon that, because they're private. That's where corporate
Exactly.
jargon comes in. So that's those. So the law, when they say about themselves, privates, these corporates talk about themselves, so they can easily say the law, it does not apply to their platform, because it's a private company. Rights of admission reserved. You cannot actually apply the law on a thing where everyone is there. And again, it comes under private. The word private, that it is
Exactly.
not something controlled by state.
but-
So you can just
But
fuck
I don't
up.
think Donald Trump getting banned from Twitter, and also Parler, जो सोशल मीडिया ऐप ही थी जिसपे मोस्टली राइट विंगर्स हैं, that was removed from AWS, that is the Amazon Web Cloud System. That was removed from AWS. Amazon removed it. It was like really heartbreaking for me. क्योंकि यार तू it's like you're stopping basic human rights. Donald Trump was spreading a lot of hate. I don't like Donald Trump at all. But when you stop him from expressing himself, if you can stop the President of United States, if you can stop him from saying what he wants to say, you can stop anyone.
Yeah.
And I don't know why people are not scared of that.
People should be hella scared from getting banned, man. Should be hella scared.
And ये is not good for Twitter as well. क्योंकि it's like, ये नवाल ने बोला था शायद जो रोगन के पॉडकास्ट पे, तो नवाल ने ही बोला था कि when a corporation like Twitter, जो it's at this point it's like a discussion place.
Yeah.
It's more than just a company. So जब वो एक साइड ले लेती है,
Yeah, side.
when they take a side, they establish themselves in a different way. Now they're not just a medium.
Exactly.
They will take a side. And it's a clear message that we will take a side. YouTube does a very good job. YouTube sees shit. If it's offensive, it goes out. If it's not
Exactly.
offensive,
it stays back.
if it's a conspiracy theory of like अगर flat earthers हैं इस पे, okay, we don't care. They don't care. And you like, and the example he gave was like, imagine two people talking to each other on telephone.
Yeah.
Will the telephone company ban someone else who's talking if they recognize it as hate speech? That's basically what Twitter did, right? Obviously, telephone is like two people and Twitter is like the whole community.
Whole community discussing.
But essentially, the idea is like you stop someone from communicating.
And that's
I don't
pretty
think
messed
that's
up.
good for Twitter as well, and I don't think that cannot be good for the society. Like, how is that good?
In the interest
In the
of,
short term, maybe.
I'd say in the interest of public safety and misinformation, hate speech, and some words to incite violence, they should be flagged, and people should be educated about it. Like Instagram does, is that the following content is sensitive content. Do you still want to see it?
Yeah.
So if that doesn't really stops you from watching what is behind that blurry screen, but that really gets into your mind that this is sensitive content, and I was told about it beforehand, so I might now think about it again. Like so you think about it 10 times. You think about it 4 to 5 times, because that the sensitive content pop-up does not really stop you from watching, but it does give you a second thought. And that's pretty fair way to moderate.
Yeah.
That's very
I
fair
don't
way to
think
moderate.
The power these companies have, I think, till like an AI system comes up or some solution, novel solution. I don't know the solution. I'm just scared of what the current protocol is.
Exactly. Even I'm
Right.
scared. Everybody should
So-
be scared.
And even जब hate speech की भी बात होती है, like Rogan said it best. The antidote to bad speech is good speech, not stopping bad speech.
And that's true. That's 100% true.
You know,
That's 100%.
and that can only happen when everyone is allowed to have a say.
That's 100% true.
Twitter bans are scary. I don't care what you say.
Everybody should be scared from getting banned because it is the end of your digital identity, and we are a digital age.
Identity. What is digital identity? Your digital identity is your identity.
Exactly, that's same. You on real grounds and on virtual grounds. You getting banned.
We are cyborgs.
cyborgs.
We are. We are.
We are slowly becoming cyborgs. You know, generation
what-
from us
what-
to the coming.
What is left? We do everything with our phones. We live in a symbiotic relationship with our
Yeah.
phones.
a symbiotic relationship? Well said.
I am shit scared. I don't like Kangana Ranaut or Donald Trump. I hate them. But the idea of someone getting banned, I don't know what to do with that, bro.
Everybody
हम
should.
पॉडकास्ट निकाल रहे हैं. हमें सबसे ज्यादा डर होना चाहिए.
अगर हम बैन हो गए, so that's equally you are seeing a murder. That's as good as a murder. Like, you know, banning.
It's a murder of your identity. Like, okay, your online presence is like a ghost. तू
which
कुछ post
everyone
करता
can
है,
see. Which everyone can see.
तू कुछ पोस्ट करता है और तू फोन रख देता है, बट कोई और अलग टाइम पे तेरा पोस्ट देख रहा है, एंड that person is projecting you. It's a ghost. It's your ghost, and Twitter banning it's killing you.
It's killing you, man.